ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವನು ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇವನು ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಮ ಇವನು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬಿನು ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು IPS, ಈ ಫೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಲೋಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
A viral video from Bengaluru's Parappana Agrahara Central Jail, which appeared to show inmates enjoying illegal luxuries, has now been flagged as a staged attempt to defame DGP Prisons Alok Kumar. Preliminary investigations indicated that a group of inmates allegedly orchestrated the video after recent crackdowns on contraband and preferential treatment inside the prison. Authorities suggested the footage was designed to falsely link the senior officer to the violations. During a search operation in one of the barracks, officials reportedly recovered mobile phones hidden inside drainage pipes, concealed in used milk packets to avoid detection. Authorities identified 3 inmates, Darshan, Abhi and Andrews, as the alleged masterminds of the conspiracy. Darshan and Abhi, who were accused in the Henur Bande murder case, were reported to have prompted Andrews to film and circulate the video. They were said to have admitted that the video was created to target the DGP over stricter enforcement measures. Actions has also been taken against prison staff, with 3 wardens suspended for negligence. Officials have sought an explanation from the jail administration over the security lapse. The accused inmates have been moved to separate cells and further investigation is underway.